What a rain today, huh, guys? Chalo, ಇದು ಇಂದಿಷ್ಟು. Mat has fallen down. What a rain today. What a rain. Damn. Fourth day. You are unable to see the rain, right? Let me show you outside of my home. Let me show you outside of the home. Chilling freeze. Yeah. Yeah. See? See? How cloudy and watery of our area. Good rain, right? Fourth day in Bangalore raining. Fresh shade would be like 8 May 2024. I wish we had a rainwater harvesting that our tank would have been fully filled right now. But we don't have rainwater harvesting. That is done. Let me get going in home. My mom told me to prepare tea. So I'm preparing, I'll show you in the kitchen. Just already put ahead the milk and the decoction to tea. So let me show you. Kitchen. Kitchen! Tea, tea. We'll drink, me and my mom will drink tea. With chill breeze and a little bit of talks. Then what else? Nothing else to say, guys. Bye bye.